Greetings! My computer is currently going up into space, so that's what that humming is if I can't edit it out of my sound system. So, anyway, today I just wanted to share with you a quick video on July's Patreon design. The poll has voted for popsicles, and then the runner-up was fireworks, so this design incidentally covers both. This month I will be showing you how to make these adorable Bomp earrings. When it comes to summer, one of my favoriteest things in the world are Bomp Pops. These things are just so cute, they're so delicious, and pretty much one of the only things I like about summer. This is also essentially a primer on the prismatic right angle weave. I'm going to be showing you how to do this. And you also don't really have to make this in America colors. You can use this as like, I don't know, make a tequila sunrise out of it. Because if you look up Bomp Pop, there's actually quite a few colors and variations. So, have fun with it. And yes, if you want to learn a bit more about the prismatic right angle weave, as well as creating these adorable earrings, check out my Patreon page down in the description box below. You get access to this tutorial as well as every other tutorial I have made, which we're up to about 14 now, for $1 a month. Just $1 a month. And then you will have more sparkly ideas. So, check down in the description box below, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye!